Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I live in Kentucky and it has snowed all day long. I went and worked the church that I work for this morning. When I went in, there was nothing on the ground. It was just cloudy. Nobody came. I left 45 minutes later to 2 inches of snow on the ground and it pouring the snow. I live about 15 minutes away from the church. So as I'm driving down the main bypass, it accumulated 2 more inches before I pulled in my driveway. I think we're up to like 7 or 8 inches right now. And my phone says we're supposed to have about 20. Hoping that my electric doesn't go out. I posted a little puppy vlog of Bentley and Cricket and Hal playing in the snow. If you want to go watch it, it's only like 2 minutes long, but it's really cute. You might like it. The topic at hand, today's installment of the Sailor Moon eyeshadow looks will be not really a Sailor Scout, but more of a villain. So I'm excited to get into it. Today we're going to do Black Lady Chibiusa's eyeshadow inspired look, and I think today I am going to go more dramatic than I normally do. I'm going to stream Dead by Daylight in a few. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. I'm going to use this today. It's my CoverGirl with Olay Simply Ageless, just because it's got some like vitamins and stuff in it and my face is pretty dry. So we're going, and I've been doing a lot of makeup recently by doing this series. So my face is super dry. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna use the headband from the makeup brush video that you saw. I really like this little headband. Yeah. Now I look like a teenage boy. This is a little paler than I am, but I'm gonna build off of it because Chibiusa's the Black Lady version, she's kind of paler, and I feel like it'll help I'm still gonna contour and stuff, but I feel like it'll help my eyeshadow look, the whole look pop if I go a little paler. But this is starting to look a little pale, but this has like a lot of vitamins and stuff in it that I need for my skin in this horrible snow weather. So that's what we're doing. We'll definitely go back and visit Chibiusa's more, the youthful Chibiusa, little Sailor Chibi Moon. But we're streaming Dead by Daylight tonight. I wanted to do something a little darker. So here we go. This is what we got. So there's that. Off to contour. I sort of love the fact that Chibiusa was like not a like child, and then they sort of in that arc turned her into a semi-villain. Like, not because because I really don't think they knew that her character wasn't going to be super liked or whatever, but like, I don't know, I just like the fact that they made her somewhat of a villain and then brought it back, like they redeemed her. And I feel like that whole arc was necessary, especially considering, like, you know, she's trying to save the future. You know, her mom and dad don't know who she is because they're teenagers. Of course they don't know who she is. And she's just kind of bratty. She's a daddy's girl, so that already, you know, is kind of hard in itself. In one parallel, and I don't know if like Buffy the Vampire Slayer pulled into this, but like how she like came from the future and like was Serena's sister, or you know, whatever, for like the longest time. And then I think I'm confusing myself at the moment, so please correct me in the comments. Cousin or sister, and then like in Dawn comes in Buffy, and then she's like her little sister, but she really wasn't. That kind of stuff. And I know like Dawn was like the light or the key and that kind of stuff, but I just kind of think the two like have so much in common. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe I'm just reading too much into it. I I wanted to do Chibiusa's Black Lady for this just because I haven't like been super dramatic with my makeup, and I feel like for her it's necessary. And so I feel like this will be really fun to kind of like build. So my idea is to kind of right here in the lid do like a red to hot pink ombre with sort of like a smoky gray color, like a smoky eye with a gray, and then like bring it in with a big deep shimmer here. That's what I'm thinking. And as you can see, this headband is starting to pop off my big fat head. But yeah, we're doing the Sailor Moon blush. You know, we gotta keep Sailor Moon in it somehow. So yeah, off to eyeshadow. And we're also gonna do our hair and pigtails today for a stream. My level. So for the lids, I'm thinking this color and this color. For the shimmer pop, I'm thinking this color or this color. Maybe this color just to pull in the pinks there. And then for the smoky gray look, we're going to pull in, I'm thinking this color or right there, because I don't really want a whole lot of dark, because my wing, I'm going to do a wing liner and big lashes, and that's going to be our focal. So, and then I think I'm going to use this Rock On for part of my eyeliner that I use on the lid. I'm going to start with the or, and I'm going to use this super loose brush so it doesn't pack it on heavy. It just kind of lightly does the smoky eye that I want without layering it too hard, because I really don't want it like super dark, just like that. Super light and airy, and I want to bring it down under my eye a little bit. Yeah, just something a little light like that. Something I can build on. If I want it a little darker, I can go back in. So yeah, I'm thinking that. And now we're going to do the lid. I'm going to do the red on the outer part of the lid and then pull the pink in. I don't want like a super dark red, but just like something like that. With the drama, we're going to use the pink shimmer. You can't really see it on camera, but it's... Oh, it fell in my eye. But yeah. I'm going to put some here. And here. Just to kind of make it pop. I think it looks pretty. I have some fallout right there. Find my big fluffy brush. Let's see. It might be where I wiped it. Yeah. That looks so good. Now we're gonna go in with our wing. I need my mirror. 1 second. And I want it to be super dramatic, so I'm going all the way out. Just like that. I just want it super dramatic. And then we're going to do these really thick halflings. If I can get them open. They're like super thick, and we're going to do them. And what I love about this eyeliner is I got it at the Dollar Tree, and it's the Ione brand. It doubles as a lash glue. And so I just pop them into the side here. And then I push them in. And we have lashes. I don't think I missed the end here. It should stick because I put it on my lid too. Gotta hold it, be back. I wanted to put a little bit of white here. Just kind of give it a little pop. Yeah. Change my shirt to black. So yeah, we're gonna do, I think we're gonna do like half my hair down and the other half in like pigtails. I think that's what we're gonna do. I can't really do the space bun she has, but I think that's what we're gonna do. My mirror to me. But yeah, I have like this weird little baby hairs right there. They won't stay on either side. They just want to sit right there. And look at this. I don't know what. Oh my. Yeah. I've got some weird little hairs going on today. I don't know. Add a little bit of this lip oil to my lips. Just to bring back some shine. And I think we're done. This is kind of what the finished product of my eyes look like. If you want to see the more, I'm going to take some photos and post them on Instagram like I have for some of the looks. I think this is my favorite look so far. It was the Sailor Mars look, but now it's this. Definitely my favorite look I've done so far. Well, thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. If you like this Black Lady inspired makeup look, please leave a like. Comment your favorite Sailor Scout. Maybe it's one I haven't got to do yet. Hit the like, subscribe, notification buttons, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.